Hi guys, my name's Ek and welcome to my channel. My channel is called by Ek and that's because it's vlogging by Ek. Quick background to why I set up the channel. I really wanted to share some of the rides that I go on. I live in Cumbria and we're kind of spoiled because we're right next to the Scottish border. We're really close, we're like half an hour from the Lake District. I thought it'd be cool to try and capture some of the footage of what I see when I'm out on my bike. I'm completely new to vlogging, so this is kind of a baptism of fire. I'm really just finding my way around. I'm not spending a lot of money on cameras and equipment at this stage because at the end of the day I might make a couple of videos and absolutely hate it. What I am going to do is today I have bought a new mount for my GoPro session and I'm going to run through fitting it to my helmet, and if we've got time I'll then jump on the bike and I'll just have a quick tour around Carlisle and we'll see how the capture goes. Thank you for joining me. Many of you who have tried doing vlogging or have tried affixing a GoPro to somewhere sensible and picturesque on your bike or on yourself will know it can be a bit hit and miss. I dug out my GoPro on a whim after watching Richie Vida and Itchy Boots on YouTube and I thought, yeah, that's cool, that looks really fun. The reality was I only had a GoPro chesty strap, and when I put that on my bike, when I was riding around, unless you really want to spend 20 minutes looking at the top of a Honda fuel tank, probably not the best angle. So I did try, as we see here on my HGC Rafa, I did try using the basic curved mount that comes with the majority GoPros. Now it's not bad actually. I think probably if I play about with it I could probably get a really good angle, but having said that, it did kind of look like I was levitating. So again, I hit Google, I hit YouTube, I wanted to see what other people were doing, and I came across a company in Canada called Chin Mounts, and they actually did a mount that was tailored for the front of my Rafa. So I had a look and I thought, oh great, I can't actually find any distributors in the UK. Did find it in Canada, and then I thought, well actually, given that we're in lockdown, I'm not really going anywhere on my bike apart from to work and back and for the occasional shopping run. So I thought, you know, give it a week, if it turns up, great. And today, in the post, chin mount, it arrived. So I thought we'll try and get it affixed to this helmet, we'll see how we get on, and if by the time that I've fiddled on and tried to fix it onto the helmet it's still sunny outside, which at the moment it is, I might get out on the bike for 10 minutes. It needs fueled up and that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. So come on, let's see how we get on. So let's see if we can get this thing stuck onto my helmet without too much drama. So, as you can see, front of the helmet, it doesn't actually look too manky. But, having said that, when I've unpacked the chin mount, it comes with a little alcohol wipe, so I'll just give that a quick once over. And then hopefully we won't have an issue with GoPro flying off somewhere on Carlisle bypass. So let's just give that a good old wipe. There we go. Cool. Right, just whilst the excess alcohol burns off there, let's see what we've got in the pack. So I'd gone for the standard mount, which the website, to be fair, for somebody who's never ever used a GoPro accessory store, when I went onto Chin Mounts, I was completely overwhelmed, didn't know what the hell to buy. So I had a look and I was able to pinpoint the exact one that I would need, that I could use with my helmet. And it's got a bit of a funny sort of kink in it at the front, which is probably why they say that these are bespoke to the helmet. So this is the unit that I'm going to pop on there, and let's just see how easily we can get that onto there for you. Okay, so after much fiddling and effing and blinding later, we have it fitted. To be fair, went on pretty nice. It's just I'm a bit of a control freak and a perfectionist when it comes to getting things lined up. So as you can see, nice and flush with the shell of the helmet. Feels really good quality. Don't think it's going to go anywhere either. So, given that we've still got some sunlight left, let's get out on the road and see what we can film. So it's been a couple of days since I fitted the chin mount onto my helmet, and in that time I had a quick run out to fill the bike up one night, so I was able to see not only the camera angle but also how my little GoPro handles fading light conditions. And I've also had a run to work, and that helped me see how the GoPro would handle the morning dawn conditions. I have to say, chin mount, 10 out of 10, absolutely love it. It's rock solid, and as you can see, it hasn't moved, it hasn't come loose at all. Fantastic build quality, so guys at chin mounts, thumbs up on that one. What it has highlighted is that if I'm looking to do any sort of commentary whilst I'm on the bike, whilst I'm riding, I'm probably going to have to look at a different GoPro. Now the one I've got, which I'm speaking to you with now, is just the basic Hero Session 4, and most of you vloggers out there will know that you can't attach an external microphone to them. Now that's fair enough, and that's something that I'm going to look into probably in the next few weeks, because I'd really like to share my thoughts and my ramblings as I'm riding. Apart from that, I noticed that the GoPro Session 4 is not great in low light conditions, but having said that, at the moment, like I said earlier, I'm only riding to and from work, filling the bike up and going to Sainsbury's on it. So that's not really a big issue at this time. So hope you enjoyed my short video. It's been really cool getting out and having some fun on my bike and being able to share it with someone. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon.